Hi! In this video, we will demonstrate how you can connect MRPeasy with your WooCommerce store. Let's assume that your company produces tables and you sell them through your eShop. Your eShop is already established and the products are listed for sale. You also have these products in your MRPeasy account. Note that your products' part numbers must have the same numbers as the stock keeping units in your eShop. Now, one of your customers placed and paid for an order in your eShop. The sales order from WooCommerce is posted to MRPeasy as a customer order. The WooCommerce order number is copied to the reference field in the MRPeasy customer order. If items are available and booked, the order status in MRPeasy is ready for shipment. A note with the MRPeasy order number is added to the order in WooCommerce. And when items are ready for shipment, a note, "The order is ready," is added. Alternately, if items are not available at the moment, the order status in MRPeasy will be confirmed. In this case, some manual actions are necessary. To understand how to check stock and book items, please see our video, Customer Relationship Management. It is possible to report an order shipped either in MRPeasy or WooCommerce. To do a shipment in MRPeasy, open the customer order, add a shipment, and report the picking of items. When items are shipped, the order status in WooCommerce is changed to completed, and the note, "The order has been shipped in MRPeasy," is added. Let's see what happens in MRPeasy when another sales order is shipped from WooCommerce directly. Before that, the MRPeasy inventory had 99 wooden tables available. Now we sell and ship one table directly from WooCommerce. In MRPeasy, we see that the number of available tables is 98. The product status in the customer orders view is delivered, and a shipment has automatically been created in MRPeasy. MRPeasy can also automatically update available quantities of products in WooCommerce once per hour. We see that in MRPeasy, we have 98 wooden tables left. WooCommerce also shows 98. To connect WooCommerce and MRPeasy, go to MRPeasy, Settings, System Settings, Integrations, WooCommerce, and click the Connect to WooCommerce button. Fill in the required information. Enter the store domain. Select whether to import customer information or to use a generic customer. Select whether to synchronize inventory levels from MRPeasy to WooCommerce. Next, WooCommerce will ask you to give MRPeasy rights to access the store. Approve, and your MRPeasy account is successfully connected with WooCommerce. Take note that after configuring the integration, only new paid orders will be imported to MRPeasy. Older orders will not be imported. Thank you for watching. Please see our other videos for more about MRPeasy.